Hello guys! So I just received a package from GG Sone or GG Sone. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. And here it is. I traded a magnet for my C1 magnet for a magnet that's inside here. So let's open it. So here it is. Here's the note. Open it. Note. And here's the note. Alright. So let's get opening. This is so cool. What is this? Sticky. Okay. Thank you for packaging it so nicely. Very special. Thank you. Here it is. Oh wow! Thank you for that extra QQ on luxury card, and this is what I traded my C1 for Wookie. Yay! I'm so close to collecting all the magnets. And here's my luxury card as an extra. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you so much for trading with me for the little extras, and I hope you receive my package soon. Please let me know when you get it. Thank you. Bye.